Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Luke.
Guess who's back? Back again. Jasmine's back.
I know you guys all missed her the last couple of videos. You had to just watch me, but she is back. Today we're going to be checking out the Bud Light Seltzer Sour Lemon.
So it's 5% alcohol volume, sorry. 100 calories and gluten-free.
Yes, it is gluten-free.
So we're going to do our usual where we taste test it, and then Luke's going to do what Luke's going to do.
Make a couple drinks. Is it yellow?
Yeah.
It looks, yeah, there's a yellow tint to it.
Oh, look at it.
Looks cool. I'm guessing it's going to taste like
I mean, I don't know. It's kind of weird that it's yellow.
the other ones, just with the lemony flavor, if I had to guess.
Is it like, don't eat the yellow snow?
Yeah, if you haven't seen our other videos, we do a review of the blue raspberry as well as the apple. We'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check those out if you want. Yeah, it's good. I mean, if you like sours and you like seltzers, I feel like this combines both of those things. And I'm not a huge sour fan, but it's definitely, it's pretty good.
Agree to disagree.
So
I
you
don't
don't
really like this one. I don't know.
It's probably just the lemon
It's
taste.
kind of a weird flavor, yeah.
Well, there's only one thing to
lemon's
do.
already sour, so
All we can do is
spruce it up.
spruce it up. Shall we start with the shots?
Huh?
Shall we start with the shots?
Yes.
Alright. So, we're going to cut some lemon wedges. The way I like to cut them is cutting the ends off, and then I'm going to slice it down the middle. And then I'm going to put a little slit right here. Cut through the rind, if you will. And then for the lemons, I like to do thirds. Usually. What cutting through the rind is going to do, it's going to make it so it can rest on the edge of the cup, the rim of the cup. And it also creates like a nice little spot so you can rim your glasses. Put some lemon juice on there so the sugar sticks.
Simple enough.
Yes. Alright, I'm going to squeeze 3 lemons into this, or lemon wedges, if you will. Alright, and then I'm going to do 3/4 of an ounce of vodka for each shot, so I'm going to do 1.5 ounces on this. And I'm going to do the same for the triple sec. I'm going to do 1.5 ounces.
Oh.
A little bit over 1 ounce. I don't want too much triple sec in there. Okay, and then we're going to do our sweet and sour. And we're going to do 1.5 ounces of the sweet and sour. And then we are going to
Shake on it.
3/4 of an ounce. I'm not going to measure this out. You can put as much as you want or as little as you want. All right, there you have it. Basically a lemon drop shot, a sour lemon drop shot.
Are you checking this?
If you want.
It definitely makes the seltzer taste better. Obviously,
I like
there's
it.
barely any of it in there.
But I really like lemon drop shots, so.
Me too.
Alright, the next one we're going to do is a strawberry lemonade sour.
I feel like if anything, that seltzer just made it a little less sweet than the lemon drop shot.
Yeah.
It usually is.
Soured it up a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm going to throw 2 strawberries, 2 lemon wedges, and I'm going to muddle these guys. Then I'm going to add my ice. I'm going to do 2 ounces of our vodka.
That's 2 ounces?
That was 2 ounces.
Oh.
Was that too much or too
Seems
little?
like a lot.
It is. I mean, it's a lot. It's definitely. It's gonna be a strong drink. All right, then we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of our strawberry puree here.
Easy. Oh. It's like a science experiment.
And we're gonna do 1 ounce of a sweet and sour. And then we're gonna shake it up. I think I have a little too much ice. We'll see. Go ahead, do the honors. You want to try it out?
Me first.
Give it a taste.
Sweet. I like it.
Yeah, strawberry lemonade. It's gotta
Yeah.
try
It's crazy. I can't even taste that 2 ounces of vodka. Dangerous.
it. All right, the next one we're gonna do is a crown lemonade sour. So we're gonna start with our crown. I'm gonna do 1 ounce of crown. And then 1/2 ounce. If you want to do a little bit stronger, you can do 1.5 ounces of crown. And then do 3/4 triple sec. Basically, 2 parts crown, 1 part triple sec. And then we're gonna do sweet and sour. 1/2 ounce. And then we are going to shake it. Ooh, I think we need a little bit more ice. There we go. Let's give this one the purple straw. All right. See what she thinks.
You can definitely taste the crème. But I like it.
I think I like this one better than the lemonade.
It's really mellow of a...
I didn't put as much alcohol, so...
No, I mean the flavoring is mellow. But
it's good.
It's good. It's like it would be like very refreshing on a hot summer day.
All right, there you have it, the Bud Light Seltzer Sour. If you guys haven't hit that like button, hit it now. It helps us out in a huge way. If this is your first time to the channel and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We'll be coming with more videos very soon.
Thank you.
Until next time.